Sense of hearing. The process of hearing begins with the occurrence of sound. Sound is initiated when an event moves and causes a motion or vibration in air. When this air movement stimulates the ear and sound is hearing. What is meant by hearing? The faculty of perceiving sounds, audition, ear listening. Can you define hearing? The process, function, or power of perceiving sound. Specifically, the spatial sense by which noise and tones are received as stimuli. Anatomy of ear. Look at this picture. Important parts of ear. Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. Outer ear including pinna, auditory canal. Middle ear including stapes, incus, malleus, and tympanic membrane, which may be called as eardrum. Tympanum cavity, a Strauss tube. These are the important parts of middle ear. Then inner ear including semicircular canal, elliptical window, circular window. Look at this. Then vestibular nerve. Next, auditory nerve. Next, cochlea. So these are the important parts of ear. Some more detail about these parts. Look at this. Pinna, auditory canal, eardrum, oval window, round window, vestibula, cochlea, cochlear nerve, vestibular nerve, ossicles. Look at this. Semicircular canal. Process of hearing. Look at this picture. Visible part of ears receives sound. Look at this. This part. Sound enter into ear through external auditory canal and reach into middle ear where in eardrum, look at this, eardrum, then there small bones as we had been learned, malleus, incus, stapes. Inner ear filled with fluid. Inner ear. Motion by vibration of the ossicles. Cochlea involved in the process of hearing. Basilar membrane, tiny hair cells. Nerve cells are stimulated. Electrical impulse. Auditory nerve is name of auditory nerve, vestibulocochlear nerve. 8, which is 8th cranial nerve. Brain, temporal lobes, interpret sound and sense of hearing. So this is a process of hearing. Some more explanation regarding process and physiology of hearing. Look at this picture. Color express outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. A process with sound waves enter through external auditory canal, reach tympanic membrane. Then in middle ear, 3 important small bones, malleus, incus, stapes, and here round window, then inner ear through oval window is cochlea and processing the sound stimuli. An auditory nerve reach through auditory nerve to temporal lobe of the brain and processing and sense of hearing. Look at this picture. Physiological basis of hearing. Right and left ear. Look at this auditory nerve. Right and left reach to temporal lobe of left and right brain and experiencing sense of hearing. Some more explanation. Ear as a transducer. Look at this. Sound energy into mechanical energy by means of transduction in middle ear. Look at this here. And converter into electrical energy, neuroelectrical energy in inner ear. What can we hear? Look at this picture. This is a green area, only we are able to hear this measurement 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Below 20 Hz is infrasound. No, animals can hearing that sound. Then ultrasound over 20,000 Hz. Look at this bat. Able to hear that sound. What are the important functions of ear? First, hearing. Second, balance. Theories of hearing. First theory, Helmholtz theory. The basilar membranes consist of fibers of different lengths arranged in such a fashion as found in a piano. Each fiber resonates to different frequencies of tone. Second theory, telephone theory. Cochlea is similar to a microphone and the auditory nerve similar to a telephone wire. What do you think about spatial localization? Ability to locate the distance and direction of a sound source. Abnormalities of hearing. Developing of hearing requires a complex origin, organization, and time course. Means that abnormal development of any one system can impact upon the development of hearing. There are many different abnormalities of hearing development that can result in hearing loss and can broadly be divided into either conductive or sensor neural loss. These abnormalities can have genetic, environmental, or unknown origins. In addition, abnormalities of the external ear, position, and structure is used as a clinical diagnostic tool for developmental abnormalities in other systems. The important types of abnormalities are 1. Deafness, 2. Hearing loss. First, detail about deafness. Handicapped both in listening and speaking. What are the kinds of deafness? First, conduction, defect, eardrum, oscillator, other parts. Second, nerve deafness, defect auditory nerve system. Second, hearing loss. What do you mean by hearing loss? A measurable reduction of the ability to hear or distinguish sounds, especially of specific frequency. Classification of hearing loss. First, conductive, not able to stimulate the sensory cells of the inner ear, that is, cause a fluid wave within the cochlea. Second, sensory neural hearing loss. Auditory nerve fibers are dysfunctional. Three, mixed hearing loss. Combination of a conductive and sensory neural hearing loss. 4. Central hearing loss. Loss occurs in the auditory areas or the brainstem, and higher levels, temporal lobe. 5. Functional hearing loss. They are using their hearing loss for secondary gain and called malingerer. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.